Solenoid Control Valve. Components, types, and benefits. This video contains everything you need to know about solenoid control valves and their use. You will learn: what is a solenoid control valve? Components of solenoid control valves. Types of solenoid control valves. Benefits of solenoid control valves. Solenoid control valve applications. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a solenoid control valve? Chapter 2. What are the components of solenoid control valves? Solenoid coil. Plunger or armature. Valve body. Valve seat. Valve disc or spool. Spring. Additional key terms. Chapter 3. What are the different types of solenoid control valves? Two-way solenoid valve. Three-way solenoid valve. Four-way solenoid valve. Direct-acting solenoid valve. Pilot-operated solenoid valve. Proportional solenoid valve. Latching solenoid valve. Frequently asked questions. What is a solenoid control valve used for? main components of a solenoid valve? How do you choose the right material for a solenoid valve? What are the different types of solenoid control valves? Where are three-way and four-way solenoid valves commonly used? Why are latching solenoid valves ideal for remote installations? Chapter 4. What benefits do solenoid control valves provide? Precision control. Fast response time. Low power consumption. Compact size. Durability. Low maintenance. Versatility. Safety. Automation. Cost-effective. Consistency. Chapter 5. How do you choose the appropriate solenoid control valve? Valve type. Material. Size. Electrical requirements. Environment. Performance requirements. Pipe diameter and thread type. Chapter 6. What are the applications of solenoid control valves? Irrigation systems. Chemical processing plants. Automotive applications. Pneumatic systems. Medical equipment. Water treatment facilities. Heating and cooling systems. Refrigeration systems. Aerospace applications. Manufacturing processes. Food and beverage processing. Fire protection systems. High temperature applications. Cryogenics. Chapter 7. What are the laws and regulations affecting solenoid control valves? The Clean Air Act. The Clean Water Act. The Safe Drinking Water Act. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. The National Electric Code. The International Electrotechnical Commission. The RoHS Directive. The REACH Regulation. California Proposition 65. Chapter 8. How do you maintain and troubleshoot solenoid control valves? Regular maintenance. Understanding the components. Checking for clogging. Addressing leaks. Testing the valve. Consulting manufacturer guidelines. Chapter 9. What considerations should be taken into account regarding solenoid control valves? Limited flow rates. Limited pressure ratings. Limited temperature range. Limited chemical compatibility. Electrical interference. Noise. Power consumption. Maintenance. Cost. Potential for leaks or failure. Potential for environmental harm. Chapter 10. What is the future of solenoid control valves? Visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right solenoid control valve manufacturers for your needs.